What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? What up, PZ? What up, Zach?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys, as always. And happy Friday. Alright. So today is Friday, May 27th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright, so yeah, today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Let's go. Big day for the stock market. A little too good to be true, to be honest. Certainly not complaining, but wow, I really did not expect this. I really thought today was going to sell off, especially because of the long weekend. And in general, Fridays, it's usually a sell-off. But hey, certainly not complaining at all. Pump it, dump it, yeah. I have a feeling, Zach. Well, we can look at SPY real quick after we get done with this intro stuff. But yeah, like I said on Discord, on SPY, there's a gap up at 407. So I think we're coming back down to 407. Kind of looks like a bear flag as well, but also a cup and handle. But so hopefully the bottom is in. I think we're gonna pull back a little bit. But yeah, really surprised. I did not think the stock market would do this well today. And actually, there's not too much to talk about. Although everything is ripping. But only thing really to talk about today is AMC. We'll get to that in a second. What up, Machete?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. As always, you posted something on Discord. Yeah, you posted a chart here. I didn't really take a look, but I did see this. This is a, is that SPY chart? Oh, QQQ. Alright, we'll take a closer look after I switch the scene here. But appreciate that, dude. Always got the helpful TA and resources. What up, Laurel, and what up, Wilson?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone. Calling sick today. Alright, cool, dude. Well, glad you could join us early. And so you got a long weekend, huh? You got a 4-day weekend. Called in sick today. Is new Luna pumping? Doesn't it go live tomorrow? I think it goes live tomorrow, not today. I don't know. I don't think so. I think it goes live tomorrow. We got an article about Luna coming up. Meme stock round 3 is back. Yeah, it's, well, I wouldn't call it an all-out meme mania, but the meme stocks have been pumping for the past week. But like on different days. Some days GME pumps, some days AMC pumps. Redbox has been pumping. So yeah, I would call it like Meme Mania 2.5, not really round 3, but for sure, meme stocks have been making a bit of a comeback. Just finished grill BBQ. Sounds real good, dude. What'd you grill? Steaks? A little early. It's aren't you supposed to be grilling for Memorial Day? On Memorial Day, I'm going over to Jersey with some family. Gonna have a barbecue. You can grill again. Yeah, it's weather's getting real nice. Summertime. It's like 77 here today. I'm already sweating wearing this long sleeve stuff. Same pattern on SPY and TQQQ. Alright, we'll check it out once we switch the scene, Machete. Everything up today. Niles AMC did great. Yeah, Nile did do really good. I'm not sure if it's back to where it was before, but I did see Nile was up like 15%, something like that. 13%. So it's at 36 now, so still has a ways to go to the upside. But yeah, that did really good today. GameStop pumping today? Yeah, GameStop was pumping as well, but not as much as AMC. It went up like 6%. So GameStop's an honorable mention. Except Mullen. Yeah, Mullen's not doing too good. But I remember Wilson. I remember what, like a month ago is when you started tuning into the show, and you got into you found me by asking about Mullen, and I think it was around 250 at that point, and I was like, and you asked me if it was a scam, and I said, yeah, I think so.
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
And now it's under $1, and you told me you cut for a loss, so I'm glad you did at the time. Hot links. Is that like bougie hot dogs? Sounds good, dude. Now waiting Dogecoin pump next. Actually, Dogecoin held up really well today. We got an article about Dogecoin. Dogecoin, it didn't really go up, but it didn't crash. It didn't go down a lot. It didn't dump like all the other cryptos. So we got an article about Terra and Dogecoin coming up here. Are you playing PA skill game this weekend? No, I'm not going to PA. I'm going to Jersey. I'll be grilling for family Saturday, Sunday when I grill minimum 2 days in a row. Yeah. Everyone this weekend is going to have a good time. Hope everyone enjoys their long weekend, Memorial Day weekend. You know, spend time with your friends and family. Nice weather outside. Market's going back up. Things are looking good now. And yeah, guys, no show on Monday. Monday is Memorial Day, so I'll see you guys back here on Tuesday. And what up, Punk Skater?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Wow, what a nice bear market rally. Everything is at everything is at resistance. Yeah, it's not. I don't think you're on. Yeah, you're not on Discord, Punk Skater. But yeah, everything. I did not think today was gonna do so good. I'm not complaining, but SPY does look like it's gonna pull back a little bit. But yeah, the past week it's been ripping. What is this, 5-day winning streak, something like that? Well, you've gone up quite a bit from 380. Now it's at 415. This market's on crack. But I think it's gonna be short-lived. I think it's gonna pull back a little bit. But we may have bottomed out. I sure hope so. But I think we're due for a little bit of a pullback to like 705, 704. I got articles stepping today. All right. Yeah, I did see some news about stepping. I think they're getting banned in China, right? So you can like that. I did see that. Yeah, how did you learn these graphs and chart? Did you went to school for it? A little bit. I majored in econ, so I did learn a little bit about the stock market and charts and stuff, but not too much. I remember, I always tell this story. I literally had a class called Money in Banking, and this is back in, I don't know, 2016 or something like that. And it was this old professor. Must have been like 70 or 80, I don't know. And I remember asking him, you know, where can I find 10% return on my money every year? And he looked at me like I was stupid. And he's like, that doesn't exist. Maybe junk bonds. And I'm like, have you heard about cryptocurrency? Have you heard about Bitcoin? And he's like, yeah, that's a scam.
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
And that's when I realized college is kind of a scam. These professors don't know what they're talking about. But yeah, I did learn a little in school, but mostly I taught myself. I was always into, from a very early age, I just always was interested. I wanted to be a stockbroker when I was a little kid. And I just really taught myself throughout high school and college. I started trading in high school. Asked my dad to open a custodial account. And then throughout college, I got into crypto more and stock markets. And I was more like a buy and hold type of person back then. I really didn't start day trading until after college. But yeah, so a little bit in school, but mostly self-taught. You can teach yourself anything with the internet these days. You don't really need to go to school for anything. Information is free on the internet. And now, I want to give out my information to you guys. Spread the knowledge.
Knowledge.
Rally before holiday equals sell off after holiday. Yeah, I hope not, but probably, to be honest. A little too good to be true. Pump on weak volume equals good in the making. Yeah, everyone's saying the same thing. I don't know if we just don't want to get our hopes up or what, but yeah, I have a feeling next week is gonna be a bit of a pullback. BitConnect.
Be connect.
Did your professor buy Bitcoin now since it is a scam? I have no idea. He may be deleted at this point. This guy was really old. Actually, all the economics professors were like old white guys. It was kind of weird. I even played poker with one. I played poker with this guy at the casino every weekend. It was kind of weird. I want to learn everything when I retire, because now and before I'm buying in the dark, because I've been gambling holic since middle school. Lost a lot of money, so when I retire, don't want to make a mistake. Alright, dude, are you going to retire soon or what? Because you're always talking about retiring. I want to retire. So, I hope you can retire pretty soon. But, yeah, dude, it's not going to happen overnight. You know, it's something you got to slowly learn over the years. But, I mean, you can paper trade if you want. 5 years max. Alright, dude. Oh, yeah, you know, don't buy $500 courses. That's what I'll say. Don't buy $500 courses. It's all a scam. It's a scam.
Hey, you're gonna lose all your money. That's a scam.
You know, you can learn it yourself on YouTube, textbooks. And you know, we have a big community. Well, not big, but we're growing pretty fast. Community here. Everyone uses different indicators. Share a lot of information. You know, so we learn a lot from each other here. I learn a lot from you guys. And you know, if you want, I have some good resources on Patreon. I have to work on that, but I have a good amount of stuff up already. If you want, dude, you can like pay $15 and then unsubscribe when you finish all the content. I really don't care. Or you can just stay subbed and support me. And once I start day trading again, I'm gonna start telling you guys what plays I make for the day. I remember you asked, do I have like daily stock picks? So once I start day trading again, I'm going to tell you guys which stocks I'm in every single day. You're richer than all your professors? Quite possibly, yeah. I don't know about that. They've been working their whole lives, but maybe. Honestly, maybe. I bought more crypto yesterday. It is like $25. I got 10 million Doggiel on Mars for $5 Dogecoin, Cardano, Crypto.com. All right, cool, dude. Yeah, I like all of those except for Doggiel on Mars, but that's like a lotto ticket right there. High risk, high reward. Nah, hells no. Hate paper trade. I don't want to play or look for fun. Well, I'm saying for practice, you know. But then again, yeah, paper trading is not anything close to real trading. It's easy to paper trade when it's, you know, free money, house money, but you get scared when it's when it's actual money. Bro, can't wait for daily stock plays. Yeah, I just need crypto to go back up a little bit so I could sell off, and go back to day trading, or when the market just goes back up. Because right now I don't want to sell at a low. You know the motto: buy high, sell low. No, I'm totally kidding. So I'm just gonna wait for stuff to go back up and then sell high, and then I'll start day trading again. That is problem. I hate learn for fun. To like go to school. Yeah, you can learn this stuff for free on the internet. It's just it's hard because there's not all this information in one place. That's really what it is. You have to like know what you're looking for. Yeah, dude. In 5 years, you could definitely learn how to trade, and you'll be set by the time you retire. Dog Elon Mars is lottery tickets. See what happens. Yeah, I hope that works out, dude. Dog Elon Mars is better than Luna. Yeah, I agree on that. Hedge funds train their traders to paper trade first before the real money. I mean, yeah, everyone should really paper trade first. But all I'm saying is, it's not the real thing. You can teach yourself and tell yourself to do these things, but when it comes to actual putting your money on the line, it's psychologically different. So you have to get over that psychological barrier. But it is a good way to train yourself. I'm just saying, when it comes time to actually do it, things are a little different. You can do Uber in the weekend, then use Uber to do day trading. Yeah, I'm good on that. I tried DoorDash a little bit, but yeah, it's not really worth it. You know, takes a lot of time, and you put a lot of wear and tear on your car. It's really not even. You barely make any money at the end, after depreciation and gas and all this stuff. And yeah, on the weekends, I just like to relax and work on some extra content for you guys. But all right, guys. So thank you everyone for being here today. A lot of people nice and early. Appreciate you guys. Can already tell it's gonna be a great show. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. And so, quick rundown of what we're gonna do today. Shouldn't take too long. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. We have a lot of articles today. One about Terra, one about Binance, one about Dogecoin, Elon Musk, one about Biden and student loans, one about Twitter, and one about inflation. And I think LaRoller has some extra stuff for us. And for the TA today, we're only going to do AMC. Only one TA, AMC. Shouldn't take too long. That was the major runner today. And then we'll get to the Yolos, which shouldn't take too long either. Not so many Yolos. So yeah, guys, not too much content to go over today. But there's a lot of people in here chatting. So if you guys, want to chill and chat, ask questions, then, I'm willing to stay and kick it with you guys. Always a pleasure. But I really don't have too much to talk about today. But we already spent over 20 minutes just chilling here already. But all right, let's get started, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So we did get 4 subs from yesterday. So appreciate you guys for that, for the good content. And my apologies, because I've been slacking a little on the content this week. I keep falling asleep. I've been really tired. I don't know why. But I've been falling asleep, and I haven't been getting the videos out on time. I've been putting them out like in the morning instead of the night before. So my bad, my fault, guys. Subscriber count should be a little higher, but I'll be sure to get back on that. You can do Uber and DoorDash by walking and biking. Yeah, biking is probably better, because you don't have to pay for gas and you get exercise. But nah, I tried out those gig stuff, that gig stuff, especially in college. I used to do that gig stuff. I used to work for this company called Topingo, which eventually got bought up by Grubhub. But Topingo is it's like Grubhub for college campuses, and it was new at the time. And me and my friends found a way to break the app, and we were making like $40 an hour, $40 to $50 an hour. It was insane. But they caught on real quick to that, and they fixed it. But yeah, luckily, I'm in a good financial position, to where I don't have to slave away at side hustle jobs like that anymore. But honestly, if you really need money that bad, you can just bike and do DoorDash and Grubhub, and you can make a pretty decent living. All right, let's look at SPY first. So this is what I was telling you guys about. So there's a gap here at 407. Small gap. So I think next week we're coming back down to 407, unfortunately. And it kind of looks like a bear flag too. Could be a cup and handle and bear flag, but could be a bull flag as well. So I think it's gonna bear flag, pull back, and then it's gonna bull flag, and then pump from there, and then cup and handle is a longer term bullish indicator. But yeah, you guys see here another bear flag developing, like here. So here was a bear flag, sold off. So another bear flag developing here. So I think it's gonna pull back to like 407, and then it'll be a bull flag, and then a cup and handle. So it does look bullish longer term, but I think we're due for a short term pullback. This was a little too good to be true this week. And let's see what Machete put here on Discord. A little hard to see, but oh yeah, I see it. So the head and shoulders, the inverse, or the cock and balls, whatever you want to call it, same thing. So yeah, it's an inverse head and shoulders, which is bullish. But then I also see the gap here. Yeah, same thing. There's a little gap, so may pull back a little bit. So thanks for that, Machete. Okay, let's do it. So the Dow Jones up 1.76%. NASDAQ up 3.3%. Big day for the NASDAQ. Really great week for tech. But tech is the most volatile. It dumps the hardest and then pumps the hardest. But great day for tech, 3.3%. And the S&P up 2.47%. Let's go.
Winning.
Yeah, great day here. So the VIX is down 6.47%, down 1.78 points. We're down to 25.7 now. So, hey, we are heading in the right direction. Still not out of the woods just yet, but, you know, last week we were at 30-something. Got close to 40 a couple of times. So now we're going back down to normal, below 26. So, still not the greatest, but we are getting back to normal. So that's a very good sign. Hopefully we can get under 20 very soon. VIX is heading in the right direction. Alibaba guy portfolio update. All right, we'll look at that at the end of the show. All right, so let's get to the watch list here. Start on the red side. Yeah, we'll start on the red side because there's not too much. So, yeah, not much in the red. Canopy growth is down 12%. Don't know why. CRTD. Someone asked about this yesterday. That's down 14%. Canopy growth, 12%. Don't know what's going on there. VIX is down 6.5%. Always a good thing when the VIX is high up on the biggest losers on your watch list. Tilray down 2.35%. Sundial down 2%. So 420 is not doing too good, huh? Ouch. Damn, 420 good. Mullen down 1.4%. That's under $1 now. Alibaba down a little bit. DWAC. Pfizer. BP. So yeah, really not much in the red today. Just the 420 stocks and a few meme stocks, really. But it wasn't that bad. Maybe for Canopy growth it was. But not bad at all. Don't know why 420 is not doing well today. But yeah, nothing really in the red. A lot of green here. So onto the green side, which pretty much everything's in the green, so we're not going to spend too much time here. Going to run down this quickly. So, yeah, IMPP. Someone asked about that on Discord earlier today. I think it was Mr. Potato Head. But that's big gain here, 38%. Pulling back a little bit in the aftermarket. Yeah, IMPP, 38%. AMC, 18%, which we'll discuss. And it's still going in the aftermarket. Wow. We'll discuss that first. Well, the only one today, AMC. Huge day for AMC. Sure the apes are happy. Novavax 17.5. HUSA 16. So it looks like the small cap oil is really doing well today. BitNile 13%. Robinhood 12%. Yeah, a lot of memes here. Wish 10.5. Got Roku, Moderna, DD, Square, Oxygen, Bed Bath & Beyond, Coinbase. Wow, Coinbase went up a lot, 8%. Riot, Tesla. Tesla's an honorable mention. Big day for Tesla. Tesla came up a lot in the past 2 days. It went to like, what, 6 something? Now it's back at 760. So honorable mention Tesla. We're not going to talk about it, but it did make StockTwits. Had like 3,000 mentions. Yeah, not going to do T on it today, but honorable mention Tesla. GameStop as well. GameStop did make StockTwits as well. 7%. But not going to discuss it today. MMAT, 6.6%. Virgin Galactic meme index is up 6.3%. Got DoorDash 6%, PayPal 6%, Palantir 6%, Carnival, SoFi, Nvidia, Norwegian. Nvidia's up 5.4%. Tech doing really good today. Yeah, airlines, cruises up. eBay 5%. Paramount 4.65%. Chipotle 4.6, Peloton 4.4. Yeah, crypto stocks are up. Google 420, nice. Apple 4.1%. Roblox 4%. Spotify up. Amazon 3.65%. AMD 3.55%. Disney 3.5%. DraftKings, Neo, everything. GM, Starbucks, Domino's, Microsoft. Financials up. Intel, Uber, Target. Yeah, MasterCard, JetBlue. Everything. Netflix 2%. That's coming back. $1.95 now. Walmart 2%. Facebook, Clover, Twitter. Got some news about Twitter coming up here. McDonald's, MicroStrategy, JP Morgan, TD, Costco. Got to go to Costco later. Funny, we talked about Costco yesterday. Yeah, I got to go to Costco after the show. Pick up some stuff for barbecue this weekend. Yeah. So everything up here. Literally everything. So great day for the apes, great day for boomers, great day for bulls overall. Especially the everyone in tech. Tech did really good today. And memes did pretty decent as well. Memes have been doing good the past week. So yeah, guys, fat tendies day. Hope you guys make some fat tendies. All right, let's get to some crypto. 1 second. 7 viewers, 8 likes. Thank you, guys. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. All right, crypto. It is hot. Should have wore a short sleeve shirt today. What up, Jalen?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Gap fill, SPY 407 Tuesday. Thoughts? Yeah, did you see that on Discord? I said that in Discord not so long ago. Yeah, not financial advice, but I think next week we're going to get a bit of a pullback. Maybe not. Hopefully not. But, this week it just absolutely ripped. and it's a little too good to be true. I'm not convinced. So, very good chance. I mean, I certainly think I don't know if we bottomed, but it kind of looks like we bottomed out at 380. So, I don't think. Hopefully, we don't go back down there. But I do think 407 is very possible. There is a gap to fill. And yeah, next week it good chance it does go back there. But it does appear like for the moment the worst is over. Hopefully it is. So yeah, great week this week. But a little too good to be true. So I think next week we're gonna get a bit of a pullback. But hopefully, overall, in the longer term, it bottomed out and we're heading to recovery here. So yes, I think so. Hopefully not, but realistically, I would say yes. We're probably gonna pull back next week to at least 407. All right, guys, on to crypto. Please smash the like button, guys. All right, so on to crypto. Crypto's down 2% today. So not too bad, but yeah, what the hell? Stock market's been ripping the past week, and crypto's not going anywhere. Crypto's going down, actually. So, not sure what's going on. But what the hell? I need crypto to go back up. A lot of my money's in crypto. Pains me to see the stock market ripping, and then my crypto is just not really doing anything, going down. But yeah, trending, we got StepN 17%. I think Laurel has an article for us about that coming up here. Green Satoshi token, which is, I think is related to StepN, if I'm not mistaken. An XCAD network, don't know what that is. Biggest gainers, there's Concert VR token. The hell is Concert VR token? Do you get crypto for watching VR concerts? I don't know. That's up 445%. Sport token, 270%, which this looks like a meme. Looks like a Shiba Inu. So yeah, I'm assuming that's a meme. Sport token. That's up 270%. And then we got Doge Rise up 240. So, yeah, I'm not too sure about Concert VR token, but Sport token and Doge Rise up.
Hey, you're gonna lose all your money. That's a scam.
And here I see Aid Ukraine coin. I hope that's not a scam. People just making a coin to get donations and then they dump it on you. I hope it's not the case. I hope that's a legit coin helping Ukraine. But all right, let's get to the actual crypto here. I see a lot of red. But Doge is up. So Bitcoin's down 2%, under 29K. Ether down 3.65%, under 1,800. Binance 2.35%, pushing 300. XRP down 2%, under 40 now. Cardano 4.4% at 40. Damn, Cardano's at 46. I sold at 2. Holy crap. Solana 4.55. Dogecoin up 3%. Let's go. Dogecoin holding up. We got some news about Doge. There's a reason why that's holding up. Polkadot's up a little bit. Avalanche down 5%. Sheep down 1.6. Litecoin down 2.5. FTX down 4.3. Chronos 2.1. Bitcoin Cash 3. Monero 3.25. Ether Classics up a little bit. 1.8. Mostly red here, though. ApeCoin down 5.5%. Yeah, so a lot of red. But the price action doesn't seem too bad. Let's sort this out. I agree. I definitely think we revisit 407 and possibly retest 400 psychological level SPY. Crypto taking a beating this week. Yeah. Like I said, hopefully not, but we're rational investors here, rational thinkers, and it probably will pull back. Everyone, and I don't know if I just trained you guys to be rainbow bears or what, but but realistically speaking, it should pull back next week. I bought Cardano 47 cents yesterday. Nice, dude. Buy the effing dip. All right, so let's see here. So not much in the green. The hell is USDD? Another stablecoin scam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we're not going to count the stable coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll just call it 10 coins in the green. So 90% of the coins in the red, 10% in the green. So biggest gainer by far is Step N, 14.55%. And then big drop off from there. Then it's Doge, 3%. So, yeah, the stuff in the green really isn't that much in the green. This is pretty bearish. So it seems like Doge is actually holding the whole market up. Doge and Ether Classic and Polkadot. So yeah, this is a bit deceiving. You would think the markets would be down a bit more. But yeah, Doge holding the market up today. Doge for the win. And on the red side, yeah, on the red side, there's a lot of price action. Well, not the most price action, but so yeah, Terra. So it's USTC now. Terra Classic USD. Why is it Terra Classic USD? There's no new Terra USD. Interesting. But yeah, that's down 75%. It's literally going to zero. So that's an outlier. But then yeah, a lot of growth dumping here. Cello 12.5, then Phantom Waves. Near Protocols, the biggest value loser, 7.3%. And then Uniswap, 5.3. So, yeah, most of the coins in the red. We got Cardano and Solana. But price action isn't that bad. Really, the things that are dumping the most are growth. And some values getting hit pretty hard here, but not like the top coins, not Bitcoin or Ether. But yeah, pretty bearish day in crypto. So that's very unfortunate. You would think that crypto would be ripping along with the stock market, but that's not the case. So hopefully crypto goes back up. We need a rip in crypto because it's been taking a beating, the past couple of months. But all right, so great day in the stock market, not so great in crypto, but overall seems like a pretty bullish day. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies. All right, let's get to some news here. Give me a second. Shiba Inu will add one more zero. Yeah, what's it at? It's at point like 0.00001 now, so it's probably gonna pull back. That's pulled back quite a bit. The high was what? 0.00009, and now it's down to 1. Holy crap, that's a pretty big decrease. All right, give me a second here. Going to pull up the articles. So I got quite a few articles today. All right, so today, guys, I got 6 articles. Lots to get through here. One about Terra, one about Binance, one about Doge, one about Biden, one about Twitter, and one about the Fed and inflation. So let's get started here. Terra's new blockchain to go live this Saturday as community votes to burn over 1 billion UST tokens. So yeah, we knew this was going to happen, but this is actually happening now. So tomorrow, Saturday, the new Terra chain goes live. I think there's Terra Classic and USTC now, but that's going to 0. So nothing new here. So they burned 1 billion UST tokens, but it went down 75%. That doesn't make much sense, but okay. So yeah, it's going to launch tomorrow. Community votes to destroy over 1 billion UST. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. So this is not financial advice, but I think it's going to dump immediately. I think everyone who lost money is just going to try to save face and recover as many funds as they can. I don't think investor confidence is very high in the project. So they are doing the right thing, trying to revive the project. But ultimately, I think maybe it's not going to fail, but I think it's not going to be a great start. And it's definitely not going to be what it once was. But update on Terra there. Then we got some Binance news. Binance Italy gets government nod. Global expansion goes on. So pretty self-explanatory here. Binance is approved in Italy now. Yeah, so Binance taking over the world. Binance and FTX. And Crypto.com. And Coinbase. Alright, so news on Doge now. This is why Doge held up today. Breaking. Musk tweet on Tesla merge results in Dogecoin spike. So there we have it again. Elon Musk manipulating markets. I mean, I'm not complaining because I'm in Doge, but... yes, so... Tesla merchandise can now be bought with Dogecoin. He added that Dogecoin could be used to purchase SpaceX merchandise too soon. So I thought he already could buy merch with Doge, because he tweeted about this a couple months ago, and I remember it popping then. So maybe he tweeted about the idea of that, and now it's official. I don't know, but yeah. So you could buy Doge, you could buy Tesla merch with Doge now, and that is why it's actually one of the few coins in the green today. Doge is holding up the whole market. So we'll see if it survives. But we'll see if the gain survives. Usually when Doge pumps, it goes right back down. But certainly not complaining. Elon Musk doing his thing again with Dogecoin here today. Alright, no more crypto stuff. So next article. As Biden administration leans towards $10,000 in student loan forgiveness, advocates push back. Key points. Advocates expressed their anger and disappointment on Friday in response to news that the Biden administration is leaning towards forgiving $10,000 in student loans per borrower. Some Democrats and activists have insisted that President Joe Biden needs to cancel at least $50,000 per borrower to make a meaningful impact on the country's $1.7 trillion outstanding student loan balance. All right, so I don't want to get too political here, but what do I think of this?
Bruh.
So, it makes me kind of mad because myself, I had about $50K in student loan debts, and I paid it off immediately, like a year after I finished school. So I did the right responsible thing. I was smart with my money. I hate debt. So, actually, I don't think any student loan should be forgiven because that's just bad financial decisions on your part, right? that's being irresponsible. So, and I kind of feel bad for Biden. I don't even like this guy, but that's pretty good. 10K in student loan forgiveness, and then it's never good enough, right? No, we don't want 10K. We want more. We want everything.
Bruh.
You got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. He's willing to forgive 10K and you want more? Like, people are just so irrational these days. Just take it. Just take it. What do you want? It's better than nothing. Would you rather have nothing? At least he's trying. He's trying to give you something. If this doesn't go through, you're not getting 50K out. Get out of here. So, yes. Personally, I don't believe in any student loan forgiveness. You know what? If you want to forgive student loans, give me a refund. Give me a 10K refund. How about that? If you're gonna forgive 50K, give me a 50K refund on my payments to my student loans. So you can never win. People are insane. 10K, that's it. I want all my student loans forgived. I want all my bad decisions to be forgiven. Bail me out. Bail me out, Biden. No, this is ridiculous. So, like I said, I don't even like this guy, but this is totally unfair. What up, educated fool?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Don't know how long you've been here. Usually here, and then you don't say anything. So appreciate you, dude. I worked and paid for my college. What the hell? Yeah, dude. I totally agree. Same thing. I invested my money smartly in the markets. Didn't spend much. Was very conservative with my money. That was my priority. As soon as I got out of school, save money, pay off student loans. That was my number one goal. I did that. 50K. And then now, people making bad decisions, being irresponsible with their money. Bail me out. Bruh, come on. So, 10K, take it or leave it. I'd take it. I'd be happy with that if I was in student loan debt. Like, what more do you want? People are insane. Cancel student loan debt. How about cancel bad decisions? All right, moving on before I get too worked up about that. Kroger guy wants Biden $250K student loan. Kroger guy expects Biden to save the day paying his student loan. Kroger guy doesn't like Biden due to student loan. What, he wants a Republican? Because they definitely wouldn't forgive anything. So yeah, same thing, You don't like him because he's not bailing you out. But realistically, what do you want? What do you want? Come on. They want everything forgiven. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. First of all, how do you get $250K in student loan debt? How the hell do you actually get that much in debt from student loans? And he got a worthless degree, too, for psychology. So that's totally his fault. Totally. Prime example, Kroger guy. Make terrible decisions. You go to college for a field for a worthless degree. Somehow you take out $250K in student loan debts. And then, you didn't think in the future, you didn't think this would be a problem, and then you get out, oh crap, I'm in a lot of debt, I'm never going to get out of this. Government, bail me out. So, I'd be happy with 10K, with a 10K free. That's better than nothing. So people are insane. No accountability, no responsibility for anything in their lives. Those are the people that they're not going to go anywhere in their lives. They're just going to stick their paw out. Gimme. Help me, government. Free money, basically. I want to be forgiven too. Come on, Canada. Yeah, right? 10K sounds... I would take 10K. I'd happily take 10K. Better than nothing. I thought Canada was better than the U.S., though. Canada's, ahead of us on a lot of stuff. Surprised. I don't know how their student loan stuff is there, but I know healthcare, they're, way ahead of the field. I know Canada is a lot better in social programs than the U.S. But, 10K. I take it. It is free money. Why not? Does chart and graph really work? Yeah, but it doesn't give you a full picture. It definitely works in the short term, I would say. And it does in the longer term, but you have to combine it with fundamental analysis as well, and macro analysis. You can't just go off of charts and graphs. It's a little bit of everything. It's technical analysis, fundamental analysis, macro and micro analysis. So it's only one. It's one part of it's one factor in the overall, overall market you have to learn about. So yes, it definitely does work, but you can't rely solely on charts and graphs. I think charts and graphs are most effective in the short term, I would say. It's good for day trading. So yeah, yes, it does work. Absolutely. Did Canada offer free college? Well, I paid off most of it this time. At this time, 6K to go, but I take the 10K forgiveness thing. Yeah. I mean, But good for you, Zach. You're being responsible. You know, chipping away at it, chipping away. 6K is really not that much. You know, you're almost there, dude. So yeah, you're being responsible. You know, and making good decisions. So it doesn't sound like your student loans were that bad, but yeah, you know, like this guy, 250K. How can you possibly get into 250K in debt? That is absurd. So yeah, dude, good for you, Zach. Very proud of you, man. Cheers. If you have 50K in cash, can you make a living doing stock trading? Like make 50K a year? Honestly, probably not. Probably 25K. Generally, if you're good at day trading, you can. I would say a realistic goal is 50%. So with 50K, you can probably make realistically around 25K. So with 100K, you can make 50K. I mean, not that you can't do it, but it's a lot of, it's very, it's a lot of variance. That's what you call it. I was thinking about the word. So it's not that you can't make 50K, but you're gonna have to be a lot more aggressive, take a lot more risk. So I think a more realistic number would be 50%. So 50K would make 25K, 100K would make 50K. So if you're planning to make 50K a year, I would save up 100K. So I hope that answers your question, Wilson. Not that it's impossible. It's just going to be a lot harder to make 100% a year. I think that it's more affordable than US, but not free. Yeah, I think it is a lot more affordable. Not sure, but yeah, private college is ridiculous. I went to private college, which, in hindsight, I probably shouldn't have, but regardless, I did the right thing in being responsible and paying off my debts. But people do that too. They go to private college for no reason when they don't have to. Go to state or, public college. All right, next article here. Twitter director Egon Durbin won't leave the board after shareholders voted to boot him. So more Twitter drama. You got my article? Yeah, we'll get to that. Twitter director Egon Durbin won't leave the board after all, even though shareholders voted to boot him from the position, the company said in a regulatory filing Friday. Twitter said its board believes Durbin failed to receive shareholder support because of his director role on several other company boards. Durbin said he would reduce his commitments on other public company boards, the filing said. So, yeah. Is this even legal? Can you do this? This must be a lawsuit in the making. How can you publicly get voted by the shareholders to get fired, and you're like, nope, I'm staying. I'm not effing leaving. I'm not effing leaving. So, yeah, Twitter is a total poop show right now. How is this even possible? I'm sure Elon Musk is not happy about this. So just more Twitter drama. If I was a shareholder, I'd be pissed. You're literally rigging the system. It's a democracy here. He's like, nope, I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, this cannot be legal. And the crazy thing is the board supports this. They're like, yeah, we don't think you should leave. And they're supporting this. So I guess it's not a democracy. The shareholders don't really have power like that. So that's pretty nuts. I'm surprised this wasn't a bigger story. And I really want to get Elon's opinion on this. So the board considers Mr. Durbin a highly effective member and believes he brings the board an unparalleled operational knowledge of the industry. So the people have spoken. The shareholder have spoken. He got to go. Nope, never mind. Your opinion don't matter. Private colleges for rich folks? Yeah, mostly. I did feel pretty left out when I went to private college because all these other rich kids got private tutoring and stuff. I didn't get no tutoring, so they were like way ahead of me. I had to catch up. I really had to study hard. And there were like some frats. I was never into like frats and stuff like that. But there was this one frat where your parents had to make like 400K minimum in order to qualify. I'm like, wow, what an exclusive club, huh? It's full of a rich white douchebags. That's what it was. But yeah, it was definitely a culture shock going to private college. I'll say that. Well, SPY is still going up after market. Might be a baby bull run next week too. Really? What's SPY at? I mean, yeah, I'm that's great. Yeah, it is 416, so it is going up. So they're certainly not complaining. But it seems a little too good to be true. You are better off public college to get tuition. You? Yeah. Like I said, going back, I probably should have went to state school, New York State, public college. Although I did get rejected from Stony Brook, and because which is one of the better public colleges in New York State, because I'm Asian. So because they have too many Asians already. They have like 50% Asians. So I definitely had the grades for it, but I got rejected. I was pretty mad about that. That could be a lawsuit. Harvard got sued for that. So, but I didn't sweat it. I have no regrets. No regrets going to Syracuse. But yeah, state school, very affordable, and city school is absolutely free. Should private college help since you are a poor person? Well, I wasn't poor, I came from a middle class family. So, which is the worst because you don't get much help, but you really can't afford it. But I did get some financial aid, not much. Would you qualify Yale and Harvard for college? No, I was too dumb for that. I definitely couldn't make Yale and Harvard. I tried to make Columbia. I got rejected instantly. Well, there's a difference between, book smart and street smart. So I think I'm definitely very street smart, but in terms of in grades, I was never bad at school. I just didn't really take it seriously. And I never really liked it, to be honest, but, I did what I had to do to get through it. I realize public education is a complete joke, because I did not try at all in high school, and, I got straight A's. So, that's when I realized all the people that failed high school, they're just done in life. How could you fail public high school? You gotta be really stupid to fail public high school. I think now you just pass. I think nowadays there's no kid left behind. Even if you don't go to school, you just pass, which is pretty dumb to me. But yeah, I was a really good student in high school. I didn't even try, and then in college, I really had to try, because it's a completely different game in college. Do you think the market still have a chance to crash, or are they done messing around? Well, of course, there's always a chance. People are, everyone's calling recession next year. They're saying 2023. So it does look like 380 is very critical support. But it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. We may have bottomed out. So next week, I think we're going to pull back a little bit, but hopefully 380 was the bottom. Can't say for sure, though. I want to be hopeful, but according to the big banks and all the experts, recession is coming, right? So we'll see what happens. And they're saying 2023 recession. But then that's what everyone said during the C19, right? And then we ripped it to the upside. So, no one has a crystal ball. But in my personal opinion, it's starting to look pretty good. Which, this article here kind of explains it. We'll get to this right now. It's starting to look pretty good. It's starting to look bullish. So crash, I don't know. Possibly, but it's starting to look bullish. You should went free. You should have went state college for free since you will make more money in the long run. Well, it ain't free, but it's definitely way cheaper than private college. Yeah, I should have. I should have. Looking back at it now, but like I said, no regrets. Some of my greatest memories, the best time of my life, it was in college. What up, Brucey baby?
Hey, hey, hey. What's so, 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 what's so?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. I never did one piece of homework in school and still graduated. How is that possible? I guess you did pretty good on everything else. But yeah, high school is a complete joke. A complete joke. Didn't realize it till I got to college. And it seems like you did pretty well, after you graduated in life. So, yeah. It just goes to show. Street smarts is what matters. Book smart is only going to get you so far. You know the saying, the A students end up working for the B and C students. It's really true. The A students only know to do one thing, to finish your task. The B and the C students think outside the box, question things, and start their own businesses. You get stereotypes since all Asian American are smarter. Not all Asian American are all smart. That is true. That is true. Although I do consider myself an above average individual in terms of intellect. But yeah, it's pretty funny. In my high school, there was one year where the grades were going down a lot. So my principal, it was so obvious. My principal bringing a bunch of new kids. They were all Asian. All the transfers got replaced by just straight up Asian kids. Like all the new kids were Asian. It was really weird. But he made the mistake of, that was his mistake, because all the Asians that he did take were just complete idiots, and it didn't really help. But yeah, it is true. There are some very dumb Asians. But generally speaking, Asians do better academically than other races. There's a lot of factors as to why. Mostly because the parents push them pretty hard. If you have 5K now, what stock would you gamble with the most upside? Not really sure what you mean by gamble, but I'd probably buy Bitcoin. I either buy Bitcoin, or I'd stake it in stable coins, which isn't really a gamble. I guess it is, because stable coins aren't stable anymore, right? But yeah, I'd either buy Bitcoin, crypto ETFs, but that's just me, because I really like crypto, really bullish on crypto. I think it's a great time to buy the dip. So I'd either put it in crypto or stablecoin staking. Not financial advice. Bitcoin too slow? Really? Yeah, you like action, dude. Well, maybe you can buy SPY options. Not saying you should, but if you really want to gamble, maybe you can buy SPY calls or even Bitcoin calls. SPY calls. If you mean gamble, like a straight up YOLO, if you want some big action, then, and this is not financial advice at all, but SPY calls, maybe. And I definitely wouldn't put it in a meme stock. I think you missed the meme stocks already. Those went up this week. All nerds are not smart in pop culture and normal life trivia stuff. All college student doesn't even know who vice president is. They don't even know where Pakistan is on the map. Yeah, most Americans don't. Average American's pretty stupid. Immigrants know more American history, U.S. history, than actual Americans. It's pretty sad. Yeah. You watch Jimmy Kimmel? He does that stuff. Who's the vice president? Where's this country? Where's this country? Yeah, it's true. Average person's really dumb. Stablecoin is too risky since what happened to Luna stablecoin? Yeah, but that's an algorithmic stablecoin. So I think USDC. I don't trust Tether, but I think USDC is the best bet for stablecoin because I'm down so much. I need overnight sensation. Yeah, dude, be careful. I understand. I like to gamble too, but you got to be smart here. Uh, and you got a kid, so got to be a bit more responsible. So I understand the feeling, but you got to think of it more of a long term perspective. So, you know, uh, like yes, it is a bit slow right now. We're in a bear market, but it will come back up at some point. So I think Bitcoin is probably the best way to go. That's what I would do personally. I just bought a lot of Bitcoin at 40K, and then it's now at 30K. So might have to buy again. All smart people, all they have to do is memorize the book and ace the test. Yeah, that's all the A students are good at, and they can't actually think outside the box. That's why, like I said, A students work for B students and C students. I play Texas Hold'em. Now I play PLO. Was in the sports bet. Lost my arse lifetime. Yeah, I feel you, dude. I love me some poker. I suck at PLO, but I love me some Texas Hold'em. But I did lose quite a bit in the beginning. I thought I was way too good. I thought I was a lot better than I was. But over time, I did grind my way back to be in the positive. And sports betting, yeah, sports betting. I was really into at first, and I went on some crazy run at first, and eventually I gave it all back. I thought I was good, but I think I just got lucky. It's very hard to beat sports betting because of the vig. The 10% juice, cause you gotta go 5 for 5. You go 5 for 10. You break even. You go 6 for 10 or 5 for 5. You lose. 6 for 10. You break even. 7 for 10 is when you actually make money. So, it's very hard to go 7 for 10. You gotta be like a legit professional. And then you can parlay, but that's the worst thing you can do because that's where the casinos make all their money. People degenning on parlays. That's how they lose all their money. So I saw how the professionals do it. They have legit spreadsheets, and they make their picks they scout the games very well. They don't just put a bunch of money on a bunch of games. They really look further in the schedule. They pick out the games. They place their bets on the really good spreads. So there's a whole art to this, but yeah, sports betting is fun, but I can never see myself. I tried. I made my own spreadsheets and everything. I still couldn't do it. So sports betting is not my thing. I do that for fun now, but I love me some Texas Hold'em for sure. I suck at tournaments. I do want to get better at tournaments. If I could win a bracelet, a World Series of Poker bracelet, I can die happy. That's one of my lifetime goals. I need to win a World Series of Poker bracelet, and I can vlog it, and then I can vlog it and put it on YouTube. I did want to make poker content, but maybe in the future. Just smoking it now to cure my itch till time to retire when I sell my house to buy another house somewhere and debt free. Whatever I can use to day trade. Texas Hold'em is too much folding. Well, you really like action, huh? Yeah, I feel you. PLO, you just call everything. You can play short deck. That's another game. Short deck. It's Texas Hold'em, except I think you only play 9s and above. Everything 9 and lower is it's literally like half the deck. Yeah, PLO is fun. It's a lot of action, but it's more luck than anything. It's a lot more luck than Texas Hold'em. But yeah, Wilson, what you can do. I've seen a lot of people do this. Not sure how old you are, but there's a lot of like 55 plus or like 60 or 62 plus communities that are very affordable. So you can sell your house, live very, very cheaply in a senior home, senior community, and take your profits and use that to day trade and make income that way. That's what a lot of people do. It's a very smart decision. Once you qualify for senior facilities, like senior communities, like very, very cheap. A lot of my family did that. 48, turning 49 in August. All right, dude. So yeah, you say you want to retire in 5 years, so that's about the time where you can qualify for, a senior community, and you can save a lot of money that way. You can sell your house, buy a little senior condo, and you can make a big profit that way. Um, and yeah, you use the leftover money to day trade. Sounds like a plan, dude. Your wife will delete you for what? Selling the house? Selling the house and moving to a senior community? What's wrong with that? Is your wife bougie? She like the good life? I want a dream house, brand new. So you want a bigger house? You want a bigger house? You're not gonna downsize. You're gonna upsize. All right, dude. Well, gotta save a lot of money for that. All right, guys. Let's get back on track here. Last article. Well, we got some stuff from Low Roller. The Fed's favorite inflation measure rose 4.9% in April, in a sign that price increases could be slowing. Bullish. This is bullish. The core personal consumption expenditures price index and the Fed's preferred inflation gauge rose 4.9% from a year ago in April, in line with estimates and a deceleration from March. Personal income rose slightly less than expected, but spending beat estimates as consumer tapped savings. Headline PCE rose just 0.2%, a sharp reduction from March's 0.9% increase. So yeah, guys, it's actually working. The rate hikes is actually working. Inflation is starting to go down. Still pretty high, but it is slowing down. So that is a bullish sign. So maybe that's a factor as to why the markets is starting to rebound and recover. Because, this is the big problem now is inflation. So, the Fed is aggressively hiking. Still a lot more hikes to come, but it looks like it is starting to work. So, yeah, it is bullish. And not saying we're out of the bear market, but definitely a good, good thing to look up to here. Very bullish. All right, guys. I think we got some stuff from Low Roller, and then we'll get on to AMC today. All right, what do we have here? Move to earn app STEPN hit hard by China ban. Yeah, this was a thing. But it's actually STEPN's going up now. I think it's the biggest gainer today. So, yeah, China always messing stuff up. They're probably going to come out with their own app. That's probably why. They're going to do their own exercise app. So, yeah, STEPN fell 20% since they banned it from China. But it's up 15% today, so it looks like it's recovering. I'm telling you, China's going to come out with their own walking app. Walk to earn app. One River Spot Bitcoin ETF application rejected by SEC. Well, that's not surprising. It was found to be insufficiently protected against fraud and manipulation, like many NFT ETF proposals before it. That's pretty disappointing, but I wonder how true this is. But regardless, you can just do Bitto, or what's the other one? Grayscale. So, yeah, there's not too many ETFs, but there are some. Well, yeah, this kind of sucks, but hopefully SEC is telling the truth. Do you believe that Bitcoin will be 250,000 in 8 years? It's possible. I can't say for sure. No one has a crystal ball. But, based on the previous runs, this thing trades in cycles. So every cycle it goes up about 10x. So the last cycle it went from 7K to 70K. The one before that it went from like 2K to 20K. So let's say the bottom is 30K this time, or 25K, then yeah, it definitely can go to 250K. Will it? The only thing is, things are a little different now this time around. Institutions are more involved, and it's becoming more of a. It's still really really volatile, but it's not as volatile. So I think at some point, yes, it will go to a quarter million. In 8 years, I don't know. There's a good chance it does. Good chance, I would say yes. But I would say at some point, yes, it will go to a quarter million. 8 years, I don't know, but at some point it will. But there's a good chance it does. Good chance it does. These cycles last probably like every 3 to 5 years, a new cycle starts. So it is very possible. If not 8 years, it will eventually. Yeah, but that's just my opinion. I'm a big believer in crypto. I got a lot of money in crypto. So I know you like your action, dude, but buy and hold crypto. That's the way to go. All right, guys. So that's all the articles for today. So we are. Wow, it's already been an hour and 20 minutes. So we did have a lot of articles, but a lot of people just chatting. So always welcome that. But yeah, let's get on to AMC now, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So let me check YouTube real quick. We're at 4 viewers, 12 likes. So it looked like a lot of people dipped. But appreciate everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
So let's do AMC now, and then the Yolos. Only one TA today. This shouldn't take too long. Now we'll finish up with the Yolos, and I don't think there's too many Yolos. All right. Damn, it is hot. I'm sweating here. All right. So here's AMC Entertainment. This finishes at $14.43 today. That is up 18%. So a huge day for this stock. Huge week, really. This did make top 10 on StockTwits. I believe it was number 2 after SPY. Over 8,000 mentions today. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So really no company-specific news to justify this price action today. Just the overall market's ripping. Especially growth and meme stocks have been doing really well this past week. AMC's been ripping, GME's been ripping, Redbox. So, just another great day in general for the stock market and specifically meme stocks. And of course, AMC is one of the OG meme stocks. Maybe also because Top Gun is coming out this weekend. That's supposed to be a big hit. But I don't think that's too much of a factor. But definitely somewhat of a factor. But alright, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 970. And there are multiple possible tops. It can be 1650, 1855, 2115, 2535, 2985, or even 3480. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be 3835, 4460, 4615, 48.80, 53, 55.15, 58.05, 61.10, $65, 68.75, or even the high of 72.60. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. So in the short and long terms, the cup and handle is bullish. Descending channel. Here we did have a descending channel. Where the top of the channel was around 12 and the bottom was around 7. And in the previous shows, I said that this is starting to break out of the upper channel, which was bullish. Looks like it's due for a breakout, and now it appears like it is breaking out. So the breakout of the descending channel here was and still is bullish. Damn, can't really see the MACD. Gotta switch this up. Down here on the, let me zoom in. Down here on the MACD line has crossed the signal line to the upside and is pulling away to the upside. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that it may be time to buy. Change this back. In the aftermarket here, this is running up to 1465. So if this holds, that'd be a bullish indicator for Tuesday. That is suggesting that the stock will keep running to the upside on Tuesday. We do have some very critical support at 970. Oops. That was retested a couple of times. Couldn't break that. It's a very strong support there. It's going to take a lot of downside pressure to break 970. And then the next critical support after that would be 830. So if these supports of 970 and 830 are broken, that'd be pretty bearish. It can go really bad. And double top. And here it does appear like a double top is forming at around 1410-ish. So that would be a bearish indicator. That is telling us that it may pull back to form a triple bottom, which would then be bullish. So there may be some pullback in the short term. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description. down below. I'm going to take a quick drink because I'm getting a little stuffy here. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1535 and 1410. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1535, 1650, 1730, 1780, 1855, 1955, 2035, 2115, 2245, 2360, 2435, 2535, 2675, 2785, 2895, 2985, 3090, 3195, 3275, 3365, and then 3480. There is resistance above 3480, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1410, 1295, $12, 1090, 985, 890, 830, 710, 610, 520, $4, 295, and then the low of 190. So right now at this current price, 1443, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks $39 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get wider. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks $39. Okay. Lagging a little bit. All right, we're good. RSI is currently at 53. So that's right around average. So that is very average, a little bit above average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 1443 is around fair market value. Maybe should be a little bit lower. And this did 89 million in volume today, which is below the average of 94 million. But not too far off. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So we covered this stock a few times in the past couple of weeks. And I've been saying it does look pretty bullish. And now in the past 3 days, it's been ripping to the upside. But yeah, according to the TA, according to the charts, this does look really bullish in the short and long terms. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, descending channel, MACD, and MACD, MACD and aftermarket action. And here comes our, oh, never mind. Thought that was the first siren of the day. We're doing really good on sirens today. Only bearish indicator is the double top, and only neutral indicator is the RSI. So overall, the chart does look pretty bullish. So therefore, if you want to go long, now financial advice. You did miss a really good entry in the $10 range. But here at the current price, $14.43, it's still not a bad entry. Not great, but not terrible. Very average entry at this point. So you really can't go too wrong buying in here at $14.43. Especially if you're going to hold this for the long term. But you did miss a big buying opportunity. But yeah, let's do some math real quick. So from the current price, $14.43. So in the short term, this can come back up to $34.80 to complete the cup, which would be about a 140% upside. So a lot of upside potential in the short term. And again, there's some very critical support at $9.70. Really shouldn't go lower than that. And that would be about a 35% downside. So in the short term, 140% upside potential, 35% downside potential. So I would say going long here would be a high risk, very high reward play. Somewhat of a gamble, but the upside potential definitely does outweigh the downside potential here. So this can pull back, but you really shouldn't lose more than 35% on the downside here. So it's definitely worth a shot to me. I would support going long at the current price, $14.43, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. And again, longer term, there is a lot of upside potential. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, personally, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Not saying it's necessarily a bad play, but for all the same reasons I said to go long, there are a lot more bullish indicators. There are a lot of bullish indicators right now. Only one bearish indicator and one neutral indicator. So while you can make 35%, to the downside here, there's a good chance you get squeezed out. Because there is a lot more upside potential than downside potential here. So I would say going short here would be a very high risk, high reward play. A lot of potential money to be made, but not worth it in my opinion. This is AMC, one of the OG meme stocks. Retail favorite. So theoretically, you can get squeezed out at any moment. So there is a good amount of money to be made here on the downside, but there are definitely way better short plays out there in the market. I would stay away from AMC on the short side at this point. Maybe if it does squeeze, then you can reconsider and make the case for going short. But at this current price, just too risky for my liking. Don't really think it's a great idea. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But definitely appears a lot more bullish than bearish in the short and long terms. Okay. So pretty straightforward, guys. Great day for AMC. Great day and great week for AMC and all the memes and just the overall market. You missed a really good buying opportunity in the $10 range, but still looks really bullish in the short and long terms. So the current price of $14.43 isn't exactly the greatest entry, but still pretty decent. Good amount of downside potential, but way more upside potential. So I can't support going long here. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. And going short isn't a bad play, but just not really worth it in my opinion. Too risky for my liking. Good chance you get squeezed out, so you're better off looking elsewhere in the market for a short play. If you want to short that, please do that at your own risk. If you want to short this, please do that at your own risk. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC Entertainment. Alright, guys. So, yeah. Short and simple. Done with the TA. What time is it? 5:43, so almost 2 hours here. We'll probably finish in 2 hours. Or in 15 minutes. So, let's just pull up the Yolos now. And, anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll just finish up the Yolos and get out of here. I love it when most folks always want to wait till the stock go lowest and miss out, and they make a bull run for being too safe and cheap. And they miss a bull run for being too safe and cheap, I think you mean. Yeah. Well, it comes with experience, but like I said, it's like right now, people are probably buying in AMC right now because they're getting confirmation. But if imagine they bought it at like 10.50, would have made a lot of money here. 40%, something like that. But that's most retail does that. They can't. They don't want to buy the bottom. They don't want to buy the dip. They're too scared, and they don't want to sell the top. So the professionals, the hedge funds, and the professional traders are the ones that really take advantage of this volatility. Easier said than done, It's hard to buy the bottom when it keeps on dipping. But yeah, that's most of the retail. They miss the bottom and they miss the top, and then they end up holding bags. All right, so give me a second here. Let me pull up the Yolos and check YouTube while we're at it. 6 viewers, 12 likes. Thank you, guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
So please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. All right, looks like we got 6 Yolos today. Give me a second here. Pull that up. Do you play hoop? Like basketball? I mean, I do like basketball, yes. I love to watch sports. Basketball is my favorite sport. Played in high school. Well, you just retracted the message. Alright, let's give this a second to finish loading, and we'll get started here. Come on. Alright, give me a second here. Don't know why this is taking so long to load. We'll get started anyway. And looks like the roller has some stuff for us. Alright, guys. So today this should be fun. Nothing too serious. I have 6 memes myself here. I have 6 Yolos myself here. And looks like the roller has some stuff for us. But yeah, I got 3 memes. 1 gained corn, 1 lost corn, and 1 actual YOLO. So this shouldn't take too long. Should be pretty fun. Let's do it, guys. This first one is by Carbon Tail. This guy again. So yeah, it's our favorite bullish indicator, our favorite meme here. Peter Tuchman, the bullish indicator of Wall Street Bets. Yeah. So whenever you see this guy, you know it's gonna be a good day. It's pretty hilarious. I'm not literally being serious, but it's pretty funny because whenever this guy is on CNBC, the market tends to rip. So, yeah, whenever you see this guy, bullish indicator, very bullish today, market ripped. So, never fails. Well, not going to say never, but most of the time, when you see this guy, it's going to be a good day. I don't even know why, but it just works. So, shout out to Peter Tuchman. All right. This one's by Cool Stock 8685. SPY will crash after my puts expire. So here's the Jordan Peele meme, sweating meme. Watching SPY this week after buying puts. Yeah, Bears got wrecked this week on SPY. Jay Powell said F your puts. Where's my Jay Powell? There he is. And of course, it never fails. Your options are going to expire, and then, where is it? He bought, they expired, dump it. Never ever fails. Never ever ever fails. All right, this is by Cold Ham. The Coke Rat tweets and stops the momentum. So here's a Jim Cramer meme here. So this was May 26th, yesterday. Okay, Jim Cramer. Glad that GameStop embraced my digital wallet idea and is basing it on Ethereum. What we need is for GameStop stores to become part physical bank. For digital, not so much brick and mortar presence, but for educational purposes. Yeah, so he tweeted here, literally the top, and then GameStop sells off after that. Never fails, right? So you guys know the joke. Inverse Jim Cramer. Kind of feel bad for this guy because he gets it wrong a lot. And this might have been a bearish indicator, Jim Cramer tweet. Wow, Laurel has a lot of stuff for us, huh? All right, this is by Wall Street Bets, WSB, Muskrat. So I guess I'm now the greatest. So yeah, this guy in 2 years he made $2,800, which was over 1.1 million%. So not sure what the play was. Probably SPY Super Lotto tickets. So that's pretty impressive. Imagine actually put more money in this. That would have been great. But 1,000,000% gain. I've never seen a 1,000,000% gain on Wall Street bets. That is absurd. So wonder what the actual play was. So only made $2,800, but respect. You are the greatest in terms of, you are the GOAT in terms of percentage. Best 25 cents you ever spent. Yeah, it might have been a glitch. Someone said it's a glitch. Alright, got a YOLO here by Domin X. This is how true bears roll. Profit or nothing. Alright, so true Wall Street bets degenning here. So here we had puts expiring today. It's already over. We had puts for 412. And this was, what's this? 18, 19. This is a 20K YOLO. 20K YOLO and SPY puts.
And it's gone.
Yeah, Jay Powell said F your puts. So yeah, guys, I think this is pretty obvious, but don't do this. Don't do this. Unless you really got it like that and you can just blow 20K. This is absurd. Super FDs. 0 day till expiration FDs. 20K YOLO, why not? And yeah, there it goes. And it's gone. So that is pretty impressive. That is one way you can chuck 20K. So yeah, don't do this, guys. This is absurd. If it worked, it would have been even more absurd. You would have printed some pretty fat tendies, but this is the risky run. High risk, high reward. So yeah, don't do this, guys. Most of the time, this is what happens. You don't usually win. But great loss corn here. It's not a YOLO. It's a loss now. So, Domin X, thanks for posting. Yeah, dude, you definitely belong here. Crayon eating ape for sure. So, yeah, go big or go home. Guess you're going home. Guess you're going to Wendy's. See you out back. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. But hey, you got seven years of tax write-offs now. Good luck to you, dude. Alright, last one here. By me. We got some by Low Roller. This is by MNBHV. 15.3K profit in 7 days. Selling 200 weekly AMC put contracts. $12 strike price. May 27th expiry. $80 premium collected. AMC to the moon. Alright. So I like this one a lot. Unfortunately, this expired way in the money, but you know, this is what happens when you sell options. So I'm a big fan of selling options. Always encourage you guys to sell options. Way better than buying options. It's not as exciting. It's, you know, pretty safe and boring, but in the long term, you win pretty big. So yeah, this guy sold May 27th, $12 puts. So if he bought calls, he actually would have made a lot more money. But hey, not bad at all. So he sold 200 puts. And yeah, made 15.3K profit in 1 week. Selling AMC puts. So this is what happens. So if it expires above $12, he keeps all the money, 15.3K. If it expired below $12, he would have to buy a bunch of AMC shares at $12. He would have had to buy 20K shares, 20,000 shares of AMC. That damn. So hope he had the money for that. 20K. times 12. He had he had to spend 240K if this actually went below $12. So that would have been a big buy, but I guess he would have wanted that anyway. But this is what you call cash secured puts, which is a great strategy. This is the correct way to do it. This is not degen. This is, you know, wouldn't necessarily call it safe, but responsible investing here, selling covered calls and cash secured puts. So he would have made a lot more buying $12 calls, but you know, safer option, and he made a lot of money here. So I love it. I love this play a lot. Big fan of selling options. So this is not your typical Wall Street Bets degen play. This is more of the correct professional way to do it. So nice to see, you know, not everyone on this forum is a crayon eating ape. Some are like Chad apes. So MNBHV, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. Great play. I love it. Data gang all day. And yeah, dude. Congrats to you. Enjoy the tendies. Great play. Crypto going to be on fire this weekend? I sure hope so. You know, a lot of my money's in crypto. Stock market's ripping. Crypto's not doing anything. So, yeah. I sure hope so. That'd be very nice. By the way, I'm a complete degenerate, and I'm up 119% on those 8 June 17th $30 calls. I'm holding them. All right, I forgot about that. So June 17th. So you got what? 3 weeks to go? Less than that. 2.5 weeks to go. $30 call. So what's it at? It's at 15 now. I'm holding them. All right, Brucey. Well, first of all, congrats to you. That is some pretty fat tendies. So what is delta on those right now? Let's get some official numbers here. June 17th, $30. You got my link in YouTube? Yeah, we'll get to that right now, dude. So delta's 18, so 18% chance that works. Yeah, Brucey. Not financial advice. You can do whatever you want at the end of the day, dude. But I'd probably sell them. I would at least set a stop loss. You know, I'd at least set a stop loss. Lock in some profit at least. Because honestly, it's probably not going to hit 30. It's probably not going to expire in the money. Not saying it won't. But if it does, you'd be printing some really, really fat tendies. But I think that's some fat tendies already. And, you know, you don't want to give it all up. So, you know, my professional opinion is that you either sell it or at least set a stop loss, lock in some profits. But at the end of the day, you can do whatever you want, dude. But yeah, congrats so far, and good luck to you, man. I really hope it does go above 30. That'd be some fat tendies. But the responsible thing to do would be to take something off the table here. Very happy for you, dude. Yeah, I need to learn all those sell, put, option, whatever you just mentioned so I can make big money time in the future. Yeah, Wilson, it may not be enough action for you, but it is, you know, long term, it is a good play, a good strategy. You know, it's like safe, consistent wins in the short term that add up over time, which is the complete opposite of YOLO FD lotto tickets. So, you know, I know you like action, but that's the better way to do things, selling options. And, yeah, you should have sold those Nile, I don't think he got filled, but those Nile calls would have worked really well. Selling those Nile calls. But yeah, dude, for sure. Selling options is a very good strategy. Not exciting, pretty boring, but it works. All right, so right now we got some stuff from Low Roller. 6 o'clock, so we're going to go probably another 15 minutes or so. One second here. Alright, so we got 5 more from Low Roller, and then a short video after that. I'm gonna hold them for our little community here for science. All right, dude. Well, respect. For the content. Yeah, are you on Discord, dude? If you want, join our Discord. Link in the description, and you can post screenshots of your plays. A lot of people do. They share their Yolos. So that'd be some great game corn for the community. Since it went up today, does that mean I get more premium money? Well, it depends on a lot of different variables, on the IV and delta and theta and all this stuff. So, yes, it would go up because the price went up, but it depends what strike. If it's close to expiration, it will also go down. So, yes and no. It depends on a lot of different factors. It would go up because the price went up. Yes, you get more premium for that. But if the strike gets closer to expiration, it goes down. So it may balance out that way. Yeah, it's there's a lot of Greeks you have to, before you really get into options, you got to learn the Greeks. Delta, theta, gamma, vega. A lot of different variables playing options. That's why it's so hard to trade. Alright, what do we have here? I'd like to thank Theta Gang for bullying me into buying those last 2-hour TE contracts. Diamond, they call me Diamond. Alright, what's going on here? What the hell? So super, alright, let me pull all of these up. So super FD YOLOs here, lotto tickets. This one was $70 YOLO. $55 YOLO. And he made 6,300 on this. 6,500%. What the actual hell? Yeah, straight up lotto tickets. This is absurd. So we got lucky on that one. This one was a $900 YOLO. So this one's not as bad, but super FDs. And he made 1,100 here. 124%. And this one was like a $200 YOLO. And he's up 335. Almost 600 bucks here, so... Yep, Super Degen Wall Street Bets plays. 8 plays, and they printed. But yeah, that $50 YOLO is very, very impressive. 50 bucks to 3,500. Wow. What is this? Someone just bought 1.21 million shares of Twitter after hours. Was it Elon Musk? Watch it be Elon Musk. That'd be pretty funny. Really? What's Twitter doing? Well, it didn't move. It's actually down now. So. But yeah, well played there. Wonder who did it. That's interesting. Watch it be Elon Musk. By Nervous Tumbleweed. Oh, I love this guy. CRM, July 1st. 172.5. Call. 21K YOLO. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I like this one a lot. Well, not a lot, but it's actually, it's not a total FD. 172. So it has like a 40% chance of working. Yeah, you know, that's pretty close. Not that out of the money, and near the bottom. So I do like that one a lot. Good chance this works. So it's not total degeneracy. It is an FD, but it's not lotto tickets. So good luck to this guy. I like this guy a lot. Nervous Tumbleweed, great content. So good luck to you. Good luck to him. So I guess this is an update to what we reviewed before. Real Bear states of the end happy jerking to the lost corn. Yep, so yeah, here's an update. So he lost more than 20k. Lost like 22k. Yeah, so we just reviewed this guy.
And it's gone.
SPX YOLO, Putin F me, but I won't give up. Alright, so alright, so I guess he was up. So it was like a 4.5k YOLO. He was up 157%. And now he's down. Yeah, he was up 6,700, 157%. Now he's down 7,400, 66%.
And it's gone.
So, yeah, this is why when you're up, guys, playing options, hit the sell button. Because very big swings. Yeah, he doubled down. Holy crap, he doubled down. Okay, what an ape. So, what is this? Another, they're different. They're different. This one is September 16th, and this one is December 6th. $5,500. 55. You got to be kidding me. 5,500. That'd be a new all-time high and way higher. So, yeah, these are kind of lotto tickets. I don't think this is gonna work, but all right. Good luck to this guy. As retarded as I am, I doubled down on my bet. 3,800's caught the bottom. This can't go tits up. All right. Well, hey, good luck to you, dude. But yeah, I love this forum. It's just a bunch of super degens here. I don't know. All right, dude. Give me one good YOLO so I can come up, lol. Yeah, I don't really encourage that stuff, but you can go SPY YOLO if you want, dude. Luna YOLO update. What a night it was. Got another 3 million average down. What the hell? People are really buying this, huh? So this guy is 12k in Luna. Alright, well, suit yourself. If you really got 12k to chuck like that, then sure. But I would stay far away from Luna right now. Alright, so we got one more order of business. Hope it's not too long, but we're going to watch this YouTube video here of our favorite Asian degen, favorite Asian ape. Alright, so it's 8 minutes, so we're not going to watch the whole thing, but I want to see his portfolio.
Hi.
Alright, so he's at 1,100 now, 10.8k, so he's down, he started at 150k, and now he's down to a 10.8, 11k, so still pretty down from the all-time highs. But, you know, I like this guy a lot. He's in good spirits. So what does he have here? So far, $5 put. Oh, he sold these. Okay. So I like that. $5 sell. So far puts. SoFi debit spreads. $2.5 debit spreads. PayPal 50, 60 debit spreads. These are all leaps too. January 19th, 2024. So I like those. Facebook 140, 150 debit spreads. Same thing. 2014. Bumble and Boeing debit spreads. So all leap debit spreads here. So I can support that. I like credit spreads better. But all right, I can. I'm with it. So Boeing, Bumble, Facebook, PayPal, and SoFi debit spreads, and then SoFi selling of puts here. So he's not going super degen like he used to. I think he learned his lesson. He's playing a little bit safe here, a bit more safe now, with his going for spreads instead of just straight up, buying calls and buying puts. Or I think it was buying calls. Luna 000118. If Luna 1 cent, they can filter. They can be millionaire. Good gamble. Yeah, if you got money to spend like that, if you can, if you got 12K to YOLO like that, then sure. But I don't know. High risk, high reward. If you can just part ways with 12K, then sure, why not? But it is a gamble. It's a straight up gamble. All right, guys. Let me just make sure he doesn't have anything else. No, it's just going through his whole. All right, yeah, we're not gonna watch the video, but yeah. So there's an update on this guy, our favorite Asian degen ape here. Luna will delete. I wouldn't do for Luna. Yeah, I believe so too, but you never know. I hope not. But alright, guys, so that is the show for today. So we went over 2 hours today, 2 hours, 15 minutes. So longer show than usual, but a lot of people chatting today. Great show. We didn't have too much content, honestly. We had we had a lot of articles, not so much TA, and we did have a bunch of YOLOs too, but yeah, today was, I enjoyed it a lot. A lot of people in here chatting. Great. Always a pleasure kicking it with you guys, with the community. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. And reminder, no show on Monday, Memorial Day. So, happy Memorial Day, everyone. So, I'll see you guys back here on Tuesday. But, yeah, guys, that is the show for today. So, yeah, appreciate everyone. Great show.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything, put it in the chat. Otherwise, let's get out of here. Let me check YouTube. 3 viewers left, 12 likes, so I think most people dipped. Alright, so yeah. Anything else, guys? No show on Monday. No show on Monday. All right, going once. Going twice. All right, I think that's it. So appreciate everyone. Happy Memorial Day, and I'll see you guys back on Tuesday. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. What do you prefer on safe bet index fund or dividend stock? Probably index fund. Because you can still get dividend. But not much. So, the safer bet would be index fund, but you know, you can't go too wrong on the dividend stocks if you buy like Apple and Microsoft and stuff like that. But you know, if you're and Coke and stuff like that, but you know, during a big tech downturn, you can get pretty wrecked on that. So personally, I go for index funds. That's the safer option. Dividend stock is not as safe, but still pretty safe. So you can't go too wrong on either one of them. They're both really good. Dividend stock is, you know, higher reward. But yeah, if you just buy SPY, that's 10% on average a year. So you can't go too wrong there. So they're both really safe, but index fund is safer. I'd probably go with the index funds over the dividend stock. But you can have a mix of both. So I hope that answers the question, dude. But if you're gonna go for dividend stock, you should probably go for and this is not financial advice, but stablecoin yield is better than dividend stock in terms of the payout you make on the dividend stock there. But you know, you don't get much dividend. You get what, a couple cents on the dollar, a couple cents per share, and stablecoin payout is around like 10% a year. So I do like stable coins more than dividend stocks. But that's more for like income and stuff. So, but they're all really all good options: index fund, dividend stock, and stable coins. But in order of safe, it's index fund, dividend stock, and then stable coin. But I'd rather go for the index fund. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Happy Memorial Day. Peace out. So if you guys want to chat, hit me up on Discord. Peace out, everyone. Have a great weekend. Happy Memorial Day. See you guys Tuesday. Later.